So today we are thinking about perspective. Perspective means whose eyes you are looking through when you tell the story. For example, this story, The Hunger Games, is told through Katniss's eyes, is told through Katniss's perspective. However, for your summative journal, which you're going to start today and either finish today or tomorrow, you are going to change that and show your understanding of the story, of the characters, of the setting by writing about a scene you've already read, but from somebody else's eyes. So you're going to shift the perspective. So a couple things I want you to remember is that the audience for a journal is the writer themselves, right? So they're not necessarily writing for somebody else to read, but that doesn't necessarily mean we are our most honest in our journals. We tend to really flatter ourselves. So whether or not somebody is likable from Katniss's eyes doesn't necessarily mean they are likable, or they are unlikable in their own eyes, right? They obviously are going to justify themselves. So this picture I thought I'd show you partially this is an exercise in perspective. Did you see a duck or did you see a rabbit when you first look at it? So do you see a duck with the beak and this is the back of the head, or do you see a rabbit with these are the ears and this is the little bunny nose? So let's look at our week. You're on Monday and Tuesday. You have Monday and Tuesday to work on your journal summative, and then reading on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Wednesday, we're going to have a quick WebEx. It's not going to be super long, just talking about what's coming in the next part of the book, because we're starting a new part. And then we're also going to talk about how the reading guides look a little different because they're going to be a shorter but daily assignment instead of a weekly assignment. There is no vocabulary assignment or quiz this week because of the other summative. So for today and tomorrow, you only have your journal summative. Okay. Definitely you're going to want to look at this instructions video before you get started. Look at this video, which is me going through my example, and then this is the actual assignment, journal summative, and then this is the example again if you want to see it. This is the rubric, how you will be graded, but that is also included on the assignment, and you are going to write right on this assignment, but definitely take a look at the instruction videos first. Okay, so message me if you have questions. I am going to be in my WebEx room from 2 to 3 today, just hanging out, ready to answer questions. Okay, so no particular agenda, but please, if you have questions, log into my room and check in. Okay, all right, good luck. Look at the directions, look at my example. You can do this. Go team.